Imagine a world without the hum of the sewing machine, where garment production was a laborious manual process. Picture the era when sewing was a painstaking task, each garment hand-stitched with immense precision, consuming hours, if not days. The production was limited, hindered by the slow pace of human hands. Early needle construction saw the use of bone and animal sinew, a testament to the resourcefulness of our ancestors. It was a time where each stitch was a testament to patience and skill. Then came the sewing machine, a revolution in garment production. Picture this. The year is 1790, and Thomas Saint patents the first ever sewing machine. But it's not until 1845 that Elias Howe brings a practical sewing machine to life. This invention sowed seeds of change, drastically reducing the time it took to stitch a garment. Yet it was Isaac Singer who took this innovation a step further. Singer enhanced the design, making it user-friendly and more efficient. The game changer, however, was the introduction of the electric sewing machine by none other than the Singer Sewing Company in 1889. This sparked a wave of mass production, forever transforming the world of fashion. And with these developments, the sewing machine became a household and industrial staple. The sewing machine didn't just change the game, it transformed the entire field. It brought efficiency into the picture, allowing for the mass production of garments. This not only revolutionized the fashion industry, but also created a ripple effect. The factories buzzed with new job opportunities, and the concept of home sewing took a leap forward. But the impact didn't stop there. The sewing machine made fashion democratic, breaking down the barriers of exclusivity. It meant that stylish, well-made clothing was no longer a privilege for the few, but accessible to many. It redefined style, making it a universal language that we all speak. The sewing machine, a simple invention, stitched a path for the fashion industry we see today.